So, hi, very good afternoon to all of you. Yes, very good afternoon to all of you. Please check it out whether audio and video is clear. Then we can close everything within first 5 to 10 minutes itself. Then we can concentrate on the next examination. Yes. Yes. So, Samir, what? So, in my view, paper easy, and if you practice it, whatever the sum we have in our material, always icmai resources, definitely paper is easy, but lengthy. That means we have to complete everything within 3 hours. That is only the factor we have to check. The remaining things, paper is easy. MCQ part also, compared to June as well as December 25, this paper was easy. Now, so directly I will give the MCQ's answer. I don't want to explain now. So just simply I will click the MCQ's answers. Yes. So if you observe the first MCQ, they asked about the whether Ganesh is required to file the return or not required to file the return. So foreign travel expenditure, here if you observe the foreign travel expenditure, 1,40,000 each, means nothing but it exceeds 2 lakh, definitely he required to file the return. Next, coming to 234C, it is, so commonly it is they given for that 7 mark in the earlier attempts. Now they given for 2 marks MCQ. But answer is, I think I computed already 3,600. Yes, 3,600. Next, anonymous donations related taxable with the 30% they asked. Yes, you know already anonymous donations, yes, is taxable at 30%. The remaining amount taxable with the normal tax rate. Yes, that answer is 1,50,000. Next, MCQ number 4. The many can do the mistake in this. Yes, but answer is 30 days from the service of notice of demand. Yes, because whenever AO passed an assessment order, okay, if you are disagreed with that AO order, then you can make an appeal. But the time limit, within 30 days you have to make an appeal. The time limit should be counted from the date of service of notice of demand. Yes, the answer is C. Next, this is nothing but if you are not maintain the 92D records. If you are not maintain the 92D records, you have to pay the penalty under section 271AA, that is 2% of value of international transaction. If you are making the timely payments of advance tax interested properly, you can have advance tax properly, you can avoid the interest. Simply it is an act of tax management. It is an act of tax management. And ICDS MCQ they given materiality is not a fundamental accounting assumption as per ICDS also. And there is a direct MCQ was there in our handwritten also, concept book also. That answer is 20 lakh. That means nothing but the penalty is not applicable if that does not exceed what 20 lakh. Next, which of the following cannot be seized during the search procedure? Stock in trade. Next, sir, here that Atom Limited, yes, I will explain just. Atom Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary company of Bull. Nothing but both the companies are the deemed associated enterprise. And one of the associated enterprise is a non-resident. So in between these two, what is the transaction? Semi-finished products are transferred. What is that? Semi-finished goods are transferred. And whoever received these things, they are doing the further processing and they are selling. Now, to determine the arm's length price of the transaction between the Atom Limited and Bull Limited, yes, which one is the most appropriate method? Yes, cost plus method. But remember, So in this, mostly answer is cost plus. Not mostly, perfect method is cost plus only. But if associated enterprises are jointly executed the any project, profit split method is applicable. Okay, many can choose the profit split also here. Yes, but answer is cost plus method. Clearly they are asking in between these two, because we are selling the goods to them, definitely cost plus method is the most appropriate method. Yes, next. So this is a direct MCQ. Answer is B. Advance pricing agreement is unapplicable from the, yes, the answer is B. The simple, we discussed already in our handwritten content. Timing of application, you can refer this. The based on that also you can frame, and most of the students can do this correct only. That means nothing but answer is B. Next, so this is an additional income tax payment. Answer is D. That is liable to tax at the rate of 20.9664. I think. Okay. Next. Okay. I didn't compute this directly. Now I will verify. I didn't compute this directly. Just 210 lakh into 20.9664. Yes. Okay. D only. So which one of the following can be treated as a judicial double taxation? Yes. Answer is A. Two different person taxed on the, no. Judicial double taxation. Yes, the same income tax in the hands of. Answer is B. Answer is B. Judicial. Yes, ma. Judicial means nothing but, yes, our example only. If you are regular batch, EVO batch, we taken one example. Mr. A is taxed in India as well as outside India. He is taxed in same. The same income taxed in the hands of same person, but more than one country. That answer is B. And between the two developed countries, and this is, no, GAAR is not applicable. Already you know, if it is a tax avoidance, then we can think about the GAAR. Here SSC is doing the tax planning in our Income Tax Act 1961. In our Income Tax Act 1961, they given the one deduction. Yes, by using the deduction, we are reducing our total income and tax liability. Yes, that is in tax planning only. That is not in tax avoidance. That's why if that is in tax avoidance, then we can apply GAAR. Here the GAAR provisions are not applicable. Once again, just I will recall, these answers are correct. Yes, the first one C, second one B. First one, he has to file the return of income. Second one, answer B, 3,600. Third one, B, 1,50,000 anonymous donation. Service of demand, service of notice of demand. Yes, fourth one C. And fifth one D. Sixth one A. Seventh one B. Eighth one B. Ninth one C. 10th one cost plus method B. 11th one B. 12th one D. 13th one B. 14th one B. Yes, 15th one C. So if you already verified the marks as per our answers, okay, you can comment on this video how many marks you got also. Yes. So I think 2 days before, that means we are analyzed expected pattern. I think every student also can analyze this. This is not a great thing first of all. 11A possible, sir. Wait, I will check. Nora. 11B only correct. Sir, ignore ma 1 or 2 MCQs. Array, if you got 10 MCQs also in DT subject, for me that is great. For you, maybe you are disappointed because you are making that efforts in the last 6 months also. But if you got 10 MCQs also, please be very happy. Step-wise marks they will provide, don't think about it. So step-wise marks they will provide, don't think about it. So you can comment on this video how many marks you will secure totally, as well as in MCQ how you will get also. How many marks you will get also, please comment. So already we analyzed the paper, okay, same paper pattern questions came. And I already did one point. Sir, please do the MQP as well as the PTP. Clearly I told in this video, because okay, even though in that mistakes are there, Okay, in MQP mistakes are there, but they given the same questions. That's why I already told, please prepare these resources thoroughly. Directly they given some questions from that only. Yes. Now we can check. S2A is trust as expected, the same question. If you go through the trust chapter easily, you can compute the total income. Next, partnership form, normal question only. Yes, but in this they ask the 43B adjustment, but it's easily can do. Next, tax planning, individual tax liability, normal regime as well as default tax regime. Next, RST, Chennai, nothing but this is an MQP question directly. This is an MQP question directly. Next, tax planning question, MQP question directly. Business restructuring also MQP question directly. Non-resident, yes. NRI provision, yes, you can do. Next one, appeals assessment procedure, dispute resolution committee. Dispute resolution committee. Next, ICDS question. Yes, different ICDS 2 they touched as well as ICDS 6 and ICDS 3 also. DTAA theory question. In our regular class, in EVO class, I told everything. Yes, they are asking objectives of DTA covered in our book. If you have any doubt, clearly, so that's why I said don't take any chance in these chapters. Okay. I clearly told don't take any chance. Okay, even though it is not covered in our important questions also, but they are given directly. Where DTAA? Just objectives question. Yes, next, types of DTA. Yes, nothing but these are the objectives of DTA. Yes, next, types of DTA they asked, objectives of DTA they asked, and next, what is that question they asked? So next, types, classification. Next, models of DTAA, and they are asking the comparison between the models, and we discussed the OECD model as well as UN model, US model also. Next, transfer pricing, this is a cost plus method question. Yes, this is a cost plus method question only. Yes. Next, transfer pricing 94 with thin capitalization question. And MAT question, this is only easiest question for that entire question paper for me. For you, maybe any other question also easy, but it is an entirely difficult. They are not given many adjustment. They are not given any adjustment. Directly we can do. But they are asking both. Normal provisions also they are asking, as well as book profit related 115 JB. And final tax liability means these two you have to calculate and whichever is higher. Okay. Next, they are asking whether these entities are associated entities, associated enterprises or not, they asked. But overall the paper is easy, and compared to the last two attempts, this paper is easy for me and for you also, but due to time constraint may be different. Yes, all the best. Please concentrate on your next examinations. Please concentrate on your next examination. Don't think about it. Maybe one or two suggested answers related to MCQs also. Institute can give the different answers also. Don't think about it. Yes. And continue with your preparation. If you are already checked with the MCQ answer, you can comment below. Thank you. Have a nice day.